Hello everyone, this is Sir Kent and today pag-uusapan po natin yung 4 market structures para po sa ating social science majors. Sige po, we have 4, no? We have monopoly, we have monopsony, we have oligopoly, and we have the pure or perfect competition. Unahin po natin yung monopoly. Yung monopoly po, it is a market structure na may isang seller, one seller, at many buyers. No? Halimbawa po dito sa amin, yung nag-offer lang po ng service ng transportation namin, no? We have the bus company po is the only the Vallecar Transit or yung series po na tinatawag dito sa amin. That's an example of monopoly wherein isa lang po yung nag-offer ng service pero marami po yung nagko-consume, no? Or nakikinabang doon sa service na yon. That's an example of monopoly. Another example po dito pa rin sa amin is monopolize po yung nagpo-provide ng aming energy dito, no? Yung sa aming kuryente po. We have the Noneco dito sa amin, no? That's an example of monopoly where only one company is offering a service, no? At marami po yung nagko-consume. Second po, market structure, we have the monopsony, yung kabaligtaran. Yung sa monopsony naman po, isa lang po yung buyer, pero many sellers po, marami po yung nagbibenta, no? Yung example po dito na ginagamit sa monopsony is we have yung gobyerno po, siya po yung nagsisilbing buyer. At yung mga sellers naman po, the many sellers are the farmers. No? We have, for example, yung mga rice products ng ating mga farmers ay binibili ng gobyerno. That's an example of monopsony. Now, proceed tayo sa ating pangatlong market structure. We have the oligopoly. Yung oligopoly naman po, it is few sellers at many buyers. Halimbawa dito sa Pilipinas, yung nag-offer lang po ng ating mga domestic flights, yung mga airline companies po, we have AirAsia, we have Cebu Pacific, and we have Philippine Airlines, no? Few sellers lang po, pero napakarami pong sumasakay ng mga eroplano to travel domestically. That's an example of oligopoly. Few sellers, many buyers. Now, the fourth market structure, we have the pure or perfect competition, no? The pure and perfect competition, it is when a market structure where it has many sellers and it also has many buyers. Pinaka-perfect or pinaka-accurate na example po dito is yung merkado po, no? Yung literal na market natin where napakaraming nagtitinda at napakarami rin po yung bumibili. Now, some of our economists would tell us, no, na yung pure or perfect competition ng market structure, ito po yung market structure na kung saan nagbe-benefit more yung mga consumers. Bakit po? Kasi yung mga tindahan, hindi po sila nagpapataasan ng presyo kasi po yung mga consumers natin, they have a lot of choices kung saan sila pwedeng bumili. Kaya yung ating mga tendera po, no, talagang nag-i-innovate sila. Yung kanilang mga produkto ay talagang ino-offer nila yung the best na goods or the best na service kasi nga may mga kompetensya sila. At dahil dyan, yung mga consumers po, yung nagbe-benefit dahil marami po tayong choice, no? At marami tayong pagpipilian na kung saan ba yung mas maganda, saan ba yung mas mura. Again, just to recap, yung 4 market structures natin, we have monopoly, one seller, many buyers. Kapag naman monopsony, one buyer, many sellers. Kapag naman po oligopoly, few sellers, many buyers. At yung fourth market structure natin, yung pure or perfect competition, many sellers at many buyers. Again, that's it for our market structures for our social science majors. God bless everyone.